I'll start. Yeah. So the primary aim of my PhD project was to devise circular and sustainable solutions to address the challenges faced by sugarcane agrosystems. To address that, we developed a three-pronged strategies. So the first point of that was to enhance the agricultural output and also enhance the soil health of those systems. Second one was to reduce fertilizer runoff, which is a major problem, and also to reduce the environmental damage and impact caused by those chemical fertilizers on those sugarcane systems. Finally, it was to provide alternative waste management solutions. Sugarcane is a large volume crop, which means it produces a lot of green trash, and with little alternatives, land managers are forced to engage in practices such as trash burning, which leads to pollution. And we wanted to, through our research, we wanted to provide them an alternative value addition product which they can use. And the way we implement these strategies are by developing a novel fertilizer product. Now, how we do that, I'll explain. We make use of that waste green trash as a precursor to produce our fertilizer material. What we do is we engage in thermalization, in pyrolysis of that green waste to produce organic carbon-rich biochar or biocarbon. However, the pristine biochar has some limitations, and to enhance its properties, we engage in chemical modification and functionalization to improve properties such as functional groups, such as porosity, such as surface area, making it more suitable as a fertilizer scaffold. And in that fertilizer carbon scaffold, we incorporate fertilizers such as urea. Finally, to make this material to impart slow release properties into this material, we mix it with an organic binder, which is also a byproduct of sugar industry, molasses, and coat it with it, which makes it more useful as a slow release fertilizer. Now, speaking of conventional chemical fertilizers, as you can see, the commercial urea pellets, when they are placed in aqueous medium, within the first 24 hours, most of the nitrogen is released from those pellets, which creates some problems because that increases and makes it more vulnerable for fertilizer leaching runoff. And also, it causes leaching and damage, especially in eco-sensitive areas around the coast, such as Great Barrier Reef. Against that, the fertilizer that we've developed, it's a slow-release fertilizer which gradually releases this nitrogen, making it available at different stages of the plant growth, and also to help reduce leaching and fertilizer runoff. We have also corroborated these findings with other studies, including soil incubation and also nitrous oxide leaching. Finally, to validate the fertilizer potential of our material, there are ongoing plant trials that we are conducting in a glass house. However, for now, the preliminary results also are looking very promising. Compared to control, the plants grown through our material has a significant growth compared to the control, and even against the commercial fertilizer, there is a slightly better growth, which we can attribute to the soil conditioning effect of our material as well, including the beneficial pH changes and also the increase in organic matter. So this we are pitching as a circular and sustainable alternative to the challenges in the sugar system. I've already concluded before the starting. So thank you, everyone, for the opportunity. Thank you.